Okay, so this is just a quick little video of the wig. So I got a full lace wig, and basically I'm showing the lace and the parting space. They did put like the Swiss lace in the middle, but it was regular lace all around the ends. And all I did was I parted it, put my parts in. I did some braids in the back, but then I got too tired, so I just went ahead and did just regular parts throughout the entire head of the wig. This is me just showing you how I parted it and everything. I did the rubber band method for this because it's much easier. So next, I will show how to actually attach the lock to the wig. So it's really, really simple. Like when I say it's the simplest thing you can do. So you're gonna grab your crochet needle, crochet hook, and you're gonna crochet one of the soft locks into the part or around the part of hair that you want to lock. And basically you're going to unravel the soft lock hair, and you're going to just wrap around the part. So you should see what I'm about to do in a minute. So keep wrapping, keep wrapping, keep wrapping. Make sure you wrap the ends completely in the lock. So this is what it will look like at the top part. And then you're going to take the ends and a crochet hook to attach the second lock to the bottom of the first lock, because I wanted these really super long, and I'm about 6 foot. So these came to the middle of my thigh, so definitely if you're shorter, they're gonna be a lot longer. But these were long enough for me. I mean, they were cool. So yeah, I just attached the two together, and what you're gonna do is kind of unravel the top one so that it'll wrap around the bottom one so it like blends. If you ever seen when they use like when people will use two hands to kind of mesh the braids together, that's what you want to do down the entire lock, just so that it looks really blended. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of wrapping and wrapping until I get the two locks to fuse together. All right, so here we go, right? So this is how I installed my lock wig. I have an installation video already, but I wanted to go ahead and show you how I installed this one. I used the Esha waterproof glue because I did go to the beach with this wig, and I just wanted to, you know, swim and stuff. I wasn't able to swim, but that's a whole nother story. Anyways, so I made 3 cuts in the lace just because the wig cap was a little big, but I couldn't control that because, of course, this was a full lace wig that I just attached to it. So I attached locks to. So, but this is me cutting out my ear tabs, making sure everything fits perfect. I did the ball cap method. I just didn't glue it down just because I knew I was going to keep this wig on for a good little minute. So I did not want to have to worry about my wig cap sliding up when it got hot and stuff. So yeah, the glue is really messy, so be careful. But yeah, I'm going in with my Esha wig glue. Personally, I do not recommend this glue. I did end up giving myself a bit of a chemical burn, but that is my fault for not doing a patch test first. So this glue did work though. It did stay on for 4 days. Like, I will say that this wig, I only had to reapply in some places, but overall the wig stayed on for a long time. And I was out in the sun, the hot sun. So, you know, I just blow dried it, did one side at a time, basically. Nothing special. The lace blended perfect, so I really didn't have too much of a problem with like trying to blend my lace, which I normally never really do just because I bleach my knots to my skin color. Like I've kind of gotten it, I kind of know my skin color now on like how to bleach it. But yeah, so just blow dry it, and I don't know why I look so sad, but anyways. So yeah, just blow dry it and apply your lace where you want it. I had already done the baby hairs on my mannequin because, of course, since I was applying it to a wig, I had to take the baby hairs out first. It wasn't like they were just going to fall. So, and then I just pressed in my lace, and that was basically it. So this is me. I'm just putting a little bit of oil and alcohol just to get like the excess glue off, and trying to finish up my baby hairs or my edges, whatever you want to call it. I went ahead and used some mousse and just a little bit of edge control around the perimeter of my hair. Also, I used my bold spray just so that everything would lay pretty flat. That's basically it. This was a perfect way to lay them down, you know, how everyone does it, just a normal install. I did have to fleek them a little bit because they were kind of puffing up, but other than that, this was a pretty like easy install, I will say. I was so proud of this wig. At the same time, I wasn't, just because I do need to perfect the parting a little bit more. And I guess the spacing of where I'm going to put the locks next time. But definitely this is a cute and easy style for us bald head baddies that can't get locks or braids just yet. So yeah. So this is like the final product. I wanted to show you all how long they were. I went ahead and put some beads and seashells in them and everything. So yeah, like I said before, I'm about 6 foot tall, so 6 feet tall, my bad. So, you know, this is where they land on me, but you know, if you are shorter, they probably will be a lot longer. And yeah, it's my little dance. And yeah, that's about it. This is what the front looks like. And I did go in with a little bit of concealer just because I did see my cap showing a little bit. But that is about it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. And I want to see if you all do some lock or braid wigs. Like, let's talk about it. I want to see what the girls are doing, okay? Make sure you all like and subscribe, and comment below what other videos you want to see me do. All right, bye.